Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Taurus and I will show you the location of the OBD2 port or data link connector, and also I will show you how to use it. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. OBD2 port is located just under the steering wheel. I will zoom it in and turn the flash on my phone, and it's gonna be right here. So what you have to do, you have to connect your OBD2 scanner and then scan the PCM. Okay, in my case, this is what I have. This scanner can read check engine light, airbag light, ABS light, SRS light, and also I can do a couple of diagnostics on this scanner. Now, price-wise, you can get scanners from a couple of dollars. Those can typically read only the check engine light. Something a bit better can access more modules, and the most expensive ones, which are over $2,000, they can do some more serious diagnostics. This one was around $200, and like I said, I can read most of the codes and do some minor diagnostic tests as well. Now, before connecting the scanner, what you want to do, if you have a push button start, you want to push the start button twice, but do not start the vehicle. If you have like a normal key, just insert the key into the ignition lock and turn it twice to the right, but do not start the vehicle. So the idea is you want to get all the lights on the instrument cluster, right? And once that is done, then you want to connect the OBD2 scanner. I will also show you how my scanner works. It's a bit slower, but I will show you how to scan the PCM. Now, every scanner will be a bit different. The basic ones, you will just plug it in, read the DTCs, get the codes, and then if you want more information about the codes, you will have to search it up by yourself online. Something a bit better will give you explanation of the codes, possible solutions, possible fixes, and even offer you some diagnostic options as well. Okay, so this scanner will first read my VIN serial number, and then based on the serial number it will find the year, make and model, and read all of the modules. Okay, 2013 Ford Taurus, okay. .5-liter engine, automatic transmission. Okay, like I said, it's a bit slow scanner, but it gets the job done. So it's reading my ABS, APIM. Now it's gonna go to transmission, engine, and things like that. So it found one fault code in the APIM. Okay, so of the codes, it only found some code for vision system camera, and this is something stored in the memory. There is no like any kind of lights on the dashboard or on the instrument cluster, and everything on the car works. I will do some further research on that, but it's nothing to be concerned of. And yeah, that's how you do it. Then in case I want to clear the codes, I can just press here clear code, and that will reset it. And then if the code is persistent, like for example if there's like airbag codes, if you try to clear them, it will not clear because the code will come back right away, and that has to be fixed. For some check engine light codes, you can just delete them, and then if they come again, then you can proceed with fixing the vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.